Welcome to our channel. If you want to share your Netflix account without sharing your password, follow these easy steps for secure account sharing. Step 1. Log in to your Netflix account using a web browser or the Netflix app on any device. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the upper right corner and select Account from the menu. Step 3. Scroll down to the section labeled Profile and Parental Controls. Step 4. Click on Add Profile to create a new profile for the person you want to share your account with. Step 5. Enter a name for the new profile and choose whether to make it a kid's profile with age-appropriate content restrictions. Step 6. Click. Continue to create the profile, which will now appear on the profile selection screen. Step 7. For the person to access Netflix, they'll need to log in using your account credentials initially to select their profile. Step 8. Once logged in, the person can switch to their own profile, which will maintain separate viewing history, recommendations, and preferences without needing your password for future viewing sessions, though the initial login will require your credentials or adding them to your Netflix household through device verification. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.